In this video, I'm going to show you a real example of creating a USPS shipping label using Monero without creating an account and without using a credit card or bank account. This example is for shipping within the United States. This is a verification walkthrough showing how buypostage.com works. I found this service through monerica.com, which is a directory that has Monero accepting businesses. I'm starting on monerica.com. I go to businesses, then postage and shipping services. And here I find buy postage. I click through to their website. On buypostage.com, the first thing I do is select the carrier. For this video, I select USPS. They also support FedEx, but this demonstration is specifically for USPS. Next, I select the package type. I choose custom size, which is the most common option. There are other default package options available, but custom size gives the most flexibility. I then enter the length, width, and height of the package using the imperial measurement system. Next, I enter the package weight in pounds and ounces. It's recommended to overstate the package weight to avoid the package being returned for an underpayment. After that, I enter the sender information and the recipient information. The email address is optional, but the phone number on their form is required. In my case, I used the same phone number for both the sender and the recipient, and there was no phone verification when I tested. For the signature option, I select no signature. Then I click Get Rates. Here, I see several USPS options, including Ground Advantage, Priority, and Express. For this example, I select Ground Advantage, and then I click Add to Cart. On the shopping cart page, I click Checkout. For the payment method, I select Monero. There is also an option to enter an email address to receive a copy of the label confirmation. For this demo, I enter my email address and proceed to check out. Now I'm shown a QR code and the total amount in XMR. I copy the address and the exact amount, wait for my wallet to sync fully, and then send the transaction. The page says you will be redirected after one confirmation, but that was not my experience. In my case, the page redirected after about 10 confirmations, possibly closer to 11. Once the payment is confirmed, I'm redirected to my order. Next to the order, there is a save icon. I click that and download the shipping label as a PNG file. This is the USPS shipping label you can see on the screen. I also receive an email confirmation, which contains a link to my order page. From there, I can access the label again if needed. To print the label, I simply add the PNG file to a word processor document as an image and print it. I attach the label to the package, bring it to UPS post office, and they ship it like any normal USPS package. The tracking number is printed directly on the label, so I can track the shipment as usual. It's also worth noting that buypostage.com provides a Tor address, which is a useful privacy feature. This is not tax, legal, or financial advice. This video is simply a verification example showing how buypostage.com works and how someone can create a USPS shipping label within the United States without creating an account and without using a credit card or bank account, using only Monero. If you want to find more services like this, visit monerica.com. If this helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe to help support the Monero circular economy. For more ways to live your life using Monero, visit monerica.com.